Good morning, everybody. Today is the last day of our sneak peek into Beachbody coaching and into our team, Titanium Nation. I hope that everybody feels like they gained valuable information this week. I would like to take today to do two things. Number one, I would like to make this an open forum today. I want you to feel comfortable asking questions, asking for details or clarification on anything that I might not have covered or that I covered but not in enough depth. I want you to feel comfortable writing messages to me, writing messages to the coach that sent you here. The point is, this last day, by the conclusion of it, I want you to feel like you have the full picture and that you're ready to become a coach on our team. The second thing that I would like to do today is to extend an exclusive invitation to the coaches that participated in this group and made a decision to join us. It's going to be an exclusive training with me. It's going to be a 2-week training. It will start in 2 weeks, so 2-week training in 2 weeks. In order to participate in this group, you really need to sign up in the near future, definitely within the next week with your coach. So if you decide to become a coach on our team and change your life, then know that the training awaits for you in 2 weeks. Some official formal training that will help you to become a leader in this business rapidly. So thank you so much for being a part of our sneak peek, our very first sneak peek, and I look forward to working with you.